So, I am making a metroidvania. Why a metroidvania, you ask? Well, it's one of the more interesting genres of game that I really like, and because I guess, why not? It'll be interesting to try. So, as you can see here, we have a beautiful white screen, some settings, and a magical red button that totally doesn't do anything. So, I'll just play the game while talking about it, I guess. So, I want this game to, well, be successful, be released, I guess, and, yeah, hopefully I can actually get some money out of this, because, uni tuition reasons, and also because, well, I guess I just really want to, I'm considering game development as like a future career, so may as well have some fun while you're at it, you know. So these graphics are and the text are all just placeholders, so the player's not going to be a blocky blue square. Yeah, these orange ones will not, the shops will not always be orange. We have a shop UI, I guess, looks ugly as hell, but that's okay. We have a slightly better inventory UI, which doesn't look as ugly, and we also have this conversation, which do stuff, I guess. And yeah, the flashing is something else, I haven't solved it. So hopefully all this will get solved. I'll fix this all later. So basically what I want from this game is to be able to like release it, as I've already said before. So I'm gonna work hard on it. The reason why I'm starting a devlog right now is because, well, I want motivation. Because if I don't document it somewhere, then I'm not going to finish it. Just like I haven't finished any of my other games because lack of motivation. So, but this is going to be different. This is going to be special. Anyways, just going to beat up the first boss here. Might notice the lack of enemies. That's because I don't play myself enough to make them, and also because I got more important things to work on. Like how most of the map right now is just like completely nothing. Some of the passageways lead to absolutely nowhere, but there's hopefully enough for me to actually like do this demo. So that'll be good. So, yeah, I guess I just want this to be a game later on down the line. My main inspiration for this game was, of course, Hollow Knight, everybody's absolutely favorite Metroidvania. Just the best Metroidvania of them all, I would argue. And I'm also playing some other games as well, Metroid games, and for inspiration, and like trying to see exactly how this genre works, because again I haven't actually made any games in this genre before. This is my first go at it. So let me know what you think, I guess. And yeah, so it's hopefully going to be quite fun, entertaining to play, I guess, not just yet another game on the Steam page. So the thing is, I'm not really good at designing graphics, so I'm going to be a little bit of a roadblock there. But anyways, so far I have play movement, obviously. I have like levers, which you can hit these things and they'll turn on and off. I have like an enemy boss template thing that I use to create all my bosses and stuff. I have quite a lot of spells and stuff, charms I call them. Charms, items, a decent idea of what the game's gonna end up being. So it's gonna be mostly a game about casting spells. And we're gonna use a totally not overused aspect of game development, the elements. So yeah, definitely not overused. Oh my goodness. I suck at this game. Definitely not overused aspects of game development. So yeah, elemental spellcasting, and you'll have to defeat like the final boss of fire, I guess, if you want to call it that. So yeah, it's gonna be hopefully fun to play, not tedious, not boring. I think I've already said all this before, but yeah, I'm trying to do the best I can. So I have this, as I said before, I have quite a lot of items that you can get currently, even though most of them are like locked behind the fact that most of them are locked behind stuff that you can't currently get. You can actually obtain quite a lot of items so far, but like some of it's locked behind the fact that I haven't finished part of the map yet. So hopefully they'll get fixed later on, and you'll get to watch this brilliant boss fight montage. Hopefully I don't die like I did last time. That'll be embarrassing. So if you're wondering about the particles, that's because I don't pay myself enough to make good particles for this game either. I will probably end up doing some. I'll probably end up making it look better in the future. In the future, I say. Probably not gonna happen, but maybe in the future. So, oh my. But yeah, so I'm planning on doing. Oh goodness, I'm planning on doing like weekly or monthly devlogs. Hopefully they'll be a lot more. They'll be a lot more entertaining, and will be a lot. Will be more. Will be look a lot more polished than this one is. This is due to my lack of a video editing software that I actually like using. Most video editing softwares don't work on Linux, so you know that's always a problem. But if you got any, please, oh whoops, please do not hesitate to tell me about them in the comments. I'll hopefully look at them. But yeah, there's, as I said before, there is a lot of stuff in this game already. I might release a demo, or consider, depending on how I feel, or if anybody watches this video, more than like 3 people for example. But yeah, it'll be quite fun. I'm gonna be in it for the long haul hopefully, so I'm not gonna stop after like 3 days because I got bored of it. But yeah, oh there you go, finally. Again, more placeholder text because I don't pay myself enough to get actual text. So trust me when I say that not all of the bosses run at you and you whack them. They're not all like that. I have some what I hope to be decently creative bosses, hopefully, and yeah, I think I might show one of them when I get this thing. Right, so we have the dash as usual, just like in Hollow Knight. If I know where I'm going, which I don't, that'll be nice. So yeah, we have basically a lot of cool stuff here. I am planning on adding a lot more, especially since I made such a big inventory, mostly just so I want to fill up this entire inventory here one day. Just all these here will be spells or charms or whatever you want to call them, and there'll be a lot of items. I've only got I have a few items as well, but they're quite hard to get, so I won't be getting any of them today. But yeah, let me know what you think about the game. If you have any ideas for the game, also leave them in the comments. Just be warned that I might not like respond to half of them at all because I'm so busy with school and stuff, and that's totally not stressful at all. So yeah, I will do one last. I'll get the double jump before I stop this. So obviously this devlog isn't really a devlog because well, I'm not exactly showing you what I did because I kind of did literally everything, so not very much point. But yeah, this is mostly just an unhinged rant on what I want to do, why I want to do it, and my plans for how I'm going to do it. So I think next what I'm going to add is a whole bunch of. I want to finish the map first of all, so that's going to take quite a long time. So if I remember, if I ever edit the video, and if I remember, I'll put an image of what the map. Oh gosh, did I not fix this? Oh, okay. Well, I guess I can't get it since I didn't fix that yet. That's a problem. So if I remember, I'll put up an image of the map in my right here. If I don't, then too bad. You guys don't get to see the map. But if I did put up the map, you can see that there's like a lot of missing corners, basically where you just run off the edge and then you never return. I can actually demonstrate that because I actually have one of those, like right here, like down here, I think. Not down here. I think over here is one of them. Just endlessly fall into the void and you can't come back because you're now in the void. So yeah, this will definitely be hopefully be a fully fledged game, and I need everyone. I need support, not a support, more just motivation. I need a source of motivation, so YouTube it is. Maybe later I'll also do streams of the game as well. Maybe, probably will never end up doing that, but who knows, I might stream coding my game, developing the game, if enough people actually like this. And I just realized I've never actually mentioned what the name of the game is going to be. I currently do not actually have a name for the game. Why is this thing taking years? I currently do not have a name for this game. I'm sitting on Spellcaster currently, but it's probably not going to be such a. It's probably not going to be the final name of the game. Basically, this thing is definitely not working, so I'll restart this. Right, now it's having a heart attack again. Why must you have a heart attack? Okay, whatever, I'll have to play like this now with all my windows. Hooray. Okay, so come back in here again. It's not gonna get stuck in a loading loop. So yeah, my metroidvania. Like and subscribe if you like this thing, I guess. And I will see you guys in the next devlog, which will hopefully be an actual realistic devlog. So remember, if you like this thing, then like the video, I guess. If you don't like it, just do whatever you want. Leave. Have a good life. But yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to do and say in this video. Oh, I just wanted to tell you all what I'm doing. So yeah. Hopefully this game will be fun. Hopefully I'll release it one day. If I don't, then that'll be disappointing. My goodness, okay. Cool. So that's what this video is going to be about. I might make another one later about the details of might make details of what I've added so far, but I think that might come in the next devlog. So have a good day or night or year, wherever you are, and I will see you guys later.